This pancake recipe is what you want to try. It was so delicious and yummy, and it's easy to come up with. So if you have flour, you have this vegetable I'm going to show you, and other few ingredients, this pancake recipe will come in handy. So let me walk you through on how to make this yummy pancake you always love to make. So even if you don't love pancake and you try out this particular recipe, I bet you keep trying it out. Your family and friends is going to enjoy this pancake. Let me walk you through. So here you get your powdered milk, then you add your sugar, add eggs, add onion, add pepper, salt, and you're gently going to combine. This pancake recipe was wow, is what you want to try. My children enjoyed it so much. Like, we enjoyed this pancake. This pancake was so nice. It's not this kind of heavy pancake. It's not heavy, it's not too light. Okay, the consistency was super, and it was so yummy. So you're going to take your time to gently incorporate these ingredients together. Just take your time to mix and mix until everything is well blended. So if you don't enjoy pancake, try out this particular recipe. You are going to enjoy it. Okay, so after that, the next thing you're going to do is to add water, like room temperature water. Okay, and you're going to keep mixing, like you're going to incorporate everything together. You're going to mix till everything is well incorporated. So just take your time, guys. I'm super excited to share this pancake recipe because I know you're definitely going to love it. Just try out this recipe and make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can get every bit of thing I did here. So after that, you're going to be sifting in your flour. It's very important. Okay, you have to sift your flour. Don't just dump in your flour into the mix. No, you have to take your time, like sift it to trap dirt and unwanted particles. You don't want dirt into your pancake. You don't want particles into your pancake. Okay, so this is very important. Like, this step is very important. So once you sift in your flour little at a time, you combine. You sift in little at a time, you combine. Okay, just be patient, and as you combine, once you add in the final flour, you're going to keep mixing, combining till you get a lump free pancake batter. Okay, so like I said, you add in the flour, you combine, you add in the flour. You don't want to add in the whole flour at the same time because it will be difficult for the lumps, okay, to get dissolved. Okay, that is why we are taking it little at a time. We mix, add little at a time, you mix. Okay, so that it will be easy for the lumps, okay, to dissolve. Okay, it will be easy for us to get rid of the lumps. So you don't want to add it at the same time, okay, so that it will not be difficult for you to dissolve the lumps. So it's very important that you follow this process, okay, so it will make things very easy for you. Now for the recipe measurements, no worries, I'm going to be leaving everything in the description, but make sure that you watch this video to the end to get the process and everything. Okay, so take your time, watch to the end. So add baking powder, okay, and sift it alongside with the flour. So this is the last batch of flour. That was why I added the baking powder to sift alongside. Okay, so it's very important, like I said, so that you can be able to trap unwanted particles, what you don't want, okay, in the flour. So you're going to mix. Okay, you're going to take your time to mix this. Okay, it might take you a little time, okay, but it's worth it. You're going to make sure that you mix. Okay, you mix. So we are looking at a not too thick, not too light consistency, okay, of a pancake batter. Okay, so at a point you're going to still add water because we don't want our pancake to be too thick and we don't want it to be too light. Guys, this pancake recipe was wow. So like I said, you're going to add more water because of the consistency we are looking at. So when you add water, you keep mixing. Okay, you keep mixing until you get a lump-free pancake batter. So the lump-free I meant is that you don't want the flour to clump, like you don't want the flour that didn't dissolve. Okay, so you want to keep mixing and keep mixing until every bit of flour is dissolved, okay, in this batter. Make sure that no form of flour that is clumped or left in the batter. Make sure that everything is well dissolved. Okay, that is what we want. And as you guys can see, this pancake batter will give us not too light, not too thick pancake recipe, and that is exactly what we want. As you guys can see, it's now lump free, and that is exactly what we want. So next we're going to be adding fluted pumpkin, shredded fluted pumpkin. Like, this is a game changer. This is a secret ingredient in this pancake recipe. That was why I said you should make sure that you watch this video all the way through. Okay, so this pancake was so nice, like, coupled with the fact that we added this fluted pumpkin. Okay, make sure you get your fluted pumpkin, also known as ugu leaf, and make sure you wash thoroughly, add shred. Okay, add vegetable oil, then combine. So this was so yummy, guys, and the vegetable took it to another level of taste and flavor. So you're going to combine very well, like keep combining until everything is well blended. Guys, you're going to love this pancake recipe. I know why I keep saying it. Okay, you are definitely going to love this one. This was so nice and it was so healthy. So if you've not used vegetable like pumpkin or fluted pumpkin to make your pancake, try out this. You're going to love it. So next, you're going to heat up your pan. Okay, then you're going to grease your pan with margarine. You can use oil to grease your pan. You have to grease your pan so that it will not get stuck in the pan. Okay, just take your time, grease your pan, add little margarine or little oil. You don't need to add too much of it. Okay, just enough to make the pancake recipe not to be glued, or the pancake batter not to be glued on the pan. Okay, then you're going to scoop in your pancake, okay, little by little. Okay, little by little. I added 2 spoons here, depending on how big or how small your spoon is. Okay, then you're going to leave it for the top to set. Okay, you would always know when the top sets. Okay, it's not going to be like this white dish. It's going to like come together. You just know. Okay, so once the top set, the next thing you're going to do is to flip over. Okay, you're going to flip over, so you guys can see this, the top is set, well set, like it has hold itself together, right? Then you flip over to the next side. Okay, and you repeat the process. Like, you grease your pan, you pour in your pancake batter, or you scoop in your pancake batter, then you leave it for the top to set, then you flip. Okay, you keep doing this until you exhaust your pancake batter, and make sure that this is done on low medium heat. You don't want the heat to be too much. Okay, you want it low medium so that your pancake can cook very well. So you keep repeating the process, like, until you exhaust your pancake batter. Like I said, you can use oil, like normal vegetable oil. You can use olive oil. Okay, any good oil you have. You can use butter, you can use margarine. Okay, so guys, this is it. Our pancake is ready and you want to try it out. Like, guys, you're going to love this. And as you guys can see, this is so colorful. Are you guys seeing how appetizing it looks? Okay, and it was so yummy, and I would love you to try it out and make sure that you give me your feedback. Okay, pancake is enjoyed by many, and if you don't love pancake, just try this recipe. You are definitely going to love it. You have children, you can try it for your children. Okay, it's a snack they would love to enjoy. Okay, as breakfast with tea and whatever that works well. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Are you seeing how light it is? Like, it's not too thick, it's not too light. This consistency was so perfect, and this pancake was so yummy. Like, we enjoyed it, and it was so nice. So if you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.